When it comes to laundry detergent, it can be really hard to tell which ones will actually deliver on promises of stain fighting and cleaning. That's why we test dozens of detergents to find the performance differences from one formula to the next. We'll tell you which ones perform the best and worst later in this video, but first, here's how we test them. We use special fabric swatches saturated with common and hard to remove stains, including body oil, dirt, salad dressing, coffee, chocolate, grass, and blood. Then we wash the swatches in cool water using each tested detergent in 2 identical washers. We don't use a dryer because the heat can actually alter the stains. Testers use a colorimeter, a device that measures color intensity to see how much of the stain remains on each swatch. The best detergents in our tests not only do an excellent job removing body oil and dirt, but they can also tackle tougher ones like grass and blood. Persil Pro Clean Stain Fighter and Tide Plus Ultra Stain Release are the top performers in our tests for most tough stains. The worst detergents? We found Arm & Hammer 4-in-1 Power Packs struggles to eliminate basic stains like grass and dirt. Sun Triple Clean costs less than most detergents in our ratings, but it also was the worst performing liquid detergent overall in our tests. Most major detergent brands are reformulated every year. That's why we use this quick test to see if a detergent has changed since we last tested it. Whichever ones have changed will get put right back through the ringer so we can run our full tests on it all over again.